You buy them in 4-packs. You quarter it. You can be sloppy because it's just a standing block. You cut it, throw it on the ground, worry about it later. Quarter it. All I'm doing is quartering the pieces so that the size of the sanding block isn't absurdly large. Once I got these pieces, I take one. Then I take a piece of wood, 1.5-inch thick. I can pre-cut these for you. I'll make you about 4 and you can do the rest. I take it, I clamp it to the bench. First thing I do is I clamp to the bench. And then I reinforce it because I want to get 2 out of this at least. So I clamp to the bench. I take the sheet that I quartered, I draw a line on the wood, and we go ahead and we take the Japanese handsaw. Be careful not to press on this button, it will release the blade and cause injury. Just cut back and forth like a zigzag, make sure the saw is sharp. When that's done, put it over there, you got this piece. I always take the piece before I attach it and I just wipe the edges off of sandpaper and burrs and jagged edges. I take it. On the edge, I take one edge, hold it, and I lock it in place with my thumb. And I fold it over. Fold it over. Straighten it out, fold it over. Keep the tension on. I keep my finger in the center. Then I take a tiny little copper nail. They are 3/4 of an inch. You can get them at any Home Depot. I take my furniture grade, fine furniture making hammer. 1, 2, you get that first one in. And I go to the right. I take one in. Then I go to my left. I get 3 nails holding it in. It's very important that they have the head on them to hold the sandpaper down. Do not use the brads. Use these. The copper ones are usually the ones that are the right size. I take the edge, I cut the side, cut the side, cut the side, cut the side. I get that so that it won't get in the way. This side, it was perfect. I just have to snip a little bit right there. You got yourself a beautiful